Selamat pagi dunia, guys. Kalian pasti sudah tahu kan spot foto ini ada di mana? Bener banget, kita lagi ada di air terjun Kedung Kayang di Desa Wonolelo, Sawangan, Magelang. Yuk guys, kita lanjut memasuki gapura itu menuju air terjun Kedung Kayangnya. Kalian bisa parkir mobil di rumah warga ini ya guys. Lalu di sini untuk parkir motornya. Di sini loketnya guys. Untuk wisata air terjun Kedung Kayang tarifnya Rp4.000 sudah difasilitasi asuransi. Untuk parkir motor Rp2.000, untuk parkir mobil Rp5.000. Siap explore guys, let's go. Pagi kakak.
She moves like a map with no borders, a whisper caught in the wind. I see her boots at the corner cafe, with a notebook and a grin. She's chasing skies I've never named, while I stay in my lane. But something in the way she moves keeps pulling at my chain. Oh, traveler, you carry the sun in your stride, leaving behind what I hold inside. If I don't ask your name today, I may never get the chance to walk beside your wandering now. She hums a tune I've never heard, in languages I can't speak. She writes down cities on her wrist, and dreams she'll never keep. I sip my coffee, miss my cue, still anchored by my fear.
Nah guys, kalian juga bisa turun sampai ke air terjun Kedung Kayang. Let's go.
And soon she won't be here. Oh, traveler, you carry the sun in your stride, leaving behind what I hold inside. If I don't ask your name today, I may never get the chance to walk beside your wandering dance. Maybe next year in Madrid, or on some quiet mountain ridge, I'll see you turn and I'll be brave. But what if courage comes too late? Oh, traveler, the world is your open gate, and I just stood afraid of fate. If I don't take that step today, you'll vanish with the train, and I'll never see your smile again. She moves like a map with no borders, a whisper caught in the wind. I see her boots at the corner cafe with a notebook and a grin. She's chasing skies I've never named while I stay in my lane. But something in the way she moves keeps pulling at my chain. Oh, traveler, you carry the sun in your stride, leaving behind what I hold inside. If I don't ask your name today, I may never get the chance to walk beside your wandering.
Ini dia guys, air terjun Kedung Kayang, Wonolelo, Sawangan, Magelang.
She hums a tune I've never heard in languages I can't speak. She writes down cities on a list and dreams she'll never keep. I sip my coffee, miss my cue, still anchored by my.
Oke guys, sampai di sini petualangan kita. See you on the next trip guys. Bye bye.